I'm gonna find something good. Whenever I come to California, I usually find like a different selection of whoa, wow, freak.
I know my destiny.
Hello y'all, I'm back with another plant shopping vlog. I'm in Vista, California again. I'm at a different Home Depot though, so it won't be like the same plants, but I'm sure they might have like a nice selection. Ooh, those look nice, the fuzzies. So let's go see what they have inside. So thanks for clicking on another video. If you're new here, my name's Destiny of Manifest by Destiny, and I do plant shopping vlogs. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. It's a pretty nice selection. I think I'm gonna find something good. Whenever I come to California, I usually find like a different selection of whoa, wow, freak, a different selection of plants. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera on. So let's start with the small plants and then we'll work our way up. Ooh, there's plants over here though too. Oh shit, there's plants over here. There's plants everywhere. They have the small little spring things. Oh, this is cute. They have orchids in teacups. Some type of blooming flower. It's fake. It's fake as fuck. They're all fake over here. They got me. Oh, sorry. So over here we have ZZ plants, some aglaonema, I think they're called. Lucky bamboo. I had a subscriber get mad at me when I uprooted a bamboo plant before in Littles. They totally were offended, but I just deleted their comment and blocked them from the channel. Ooh. Pretty arrangements. Hopefully my camera stays focused. It keeps losing focus. We have small plants for $3.98. The succulents, they're blooming. Cacti, what are these? Cosmic cactus. Bola going where no plant is gone. Coloring does not harm the plants, they say. I always thought it harmed the plants. Okay, do this so they glow in the dark. Easy to care for, just sunny window light, drink every few weeks. I guess they glow in the dark or something, I don't know. Succulent arrangements down there. These look a little suspect. Ooh, they have succulent arrangements that you could make yourself, I guess. These are $12.98. My camera's having a hard time focusing. Ooh, I collect snake plants, Sansevieria, Dracaena, whatever you want to call them. But these are gorgeous. I like that one right here in the center of the frame. I like this one too. I don't think it's a snake plant. Some type of succulent. Most likely I'm gonna get one of those by the time the season's up. More succulents. I think this is Raven ZZ, you guys. I know a lot of subscribers say when they're in certain parts of America they can't find it, but I'm here in Vista. They have, our ZZ Supernova. I don't know what that means, but they have ZZ Supernovas for $21.98. Is this some type of different type of plant? Well, look at that. I don't know what that means. So I'm assuming this is a different type of plant. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm thinking this is a different type of ZZ plant because look at those leaves in there. Yeah, I don't know. Or is that Raven ZZ? They have yucca plants, $14.98. Very small and cute. Compact. Here's the plant that made me say, oh, when I walked up. The Bella Philodendron silver sword. Bella philodendron silver sword. Very cute. And a nice trendy planter. These are $24.98. We have the Astro World collection up there. Or Astra Moon Cactus, sorry. Gave you a different name. $8.98. Those are cute. Ooh. Yeah, I like this. So they have the Hoya Carry for $12.98. It's nice and big. Like that. We have little small tropical plants down here. They're all $15.98. But look at this pot, this planter. I really like the rustic planters. Some Sansevieria. I don't know, Swiss cheese. What is this? Monstera adansonii, whatever. You can read. Little baby ZZs. They have, I don't know if these names, what they mean. I think they're wrong. Syngonias. Also, I don't be pronouncing these plant names right. If you're looking for proper English, you need to go to another channel. Shade, no shade, shade, no shade, no shade, shade, whatever you say. Here we have some, there's this like Jade Pothos. I've been looking for Jade Pothos. So if this is Jade Pothos, this one's coming with me. But I don't want to purchase a Jade Pothos and it's like a golden Pothos, you know? But that looks like Jade Pothos to me. It's $10. I'm really just going to get one plant, I promise. Some snake plants. I think these are all $9.98 right here. I can't keep those alive to save my life. Crotons for $27. All these are $27. Snake plants. Cat palms. They have different types of snake plants. Hopefully I'm picking up the light in here. It's pretty dark. Birds of paradise. Here's where it gets tricky for me when I'm IDing plants. Majesty palm, majesty palm. Of course, we have tons of golden pothos because why not? Yeah, my brightness was down on my screen. So yeah, looking at this golden pothos, I think that is Jade Pothos over there. So I'm most likely going to get one of those because I've been like... So here's like the view from the side of all the plants that are kind of in the middle of the store. And here's a view of the side we're about to explore. They have tons of yuccas, dracaenas, just tall trees. Look at this croton back here. Croton plant is gigantic. I think that's what that is, yeah. I've never seen one of these before, like in person, maybe outside, but not like in the store. Massive. We have a tea plant that looks like she wants to go outside. Some Swiss cheese. I guess I can tell the difference between Swiss cheese and Monstera adansonii, but it gets a little difficult. Tons of ferns up here. Really, I'm looking for some Hoyas and probably that green or that Jade Pothos. They have tons of ZZ plants. So this one is ZZ Supernova. So I'm wondering if that's just like a different name for the black raven or for the raven ZZ. I don't know. Little baby plants hiding down there. Buy more and save more. Oh, for Easter. I have some type of like dark red philodendron. Ponytail palms. Money trees. More of those silver swords. Look at this. Look at this. That's intense. It's very, very thick. She's thick. It's very pretty. To me, this is more of like a tropical rare type plant, something that I probably wouldn't want in my collection because you need a plant mom that's going to be home with you all the time when you're like that, not someone who's like a traveling plant mom. More golden pothos up here. Some hanging planters. These are local to Vista, California. I saw them in the last Home Depot tour that I did. If you go to my page, it'll be the first video that you see. My last Vista, California Home Depot haul, or whoa, look at this. My last tour, it was really amazing. I always like these bromeliads. This one's like so top heavy, it's falling off the soil. They have tons of bromeliads. Oh, I see some Hoyas. I see some Hoyas. Hoyas just make you want to sing. The word Hoya just makes you want to like sing, you know. Some philodendron. I think this might be green goddess philodendron. I think that's a calathea amaranthum, something like that. Prayer plant calathea. There we go. Pollard palm. More money trees. Dumb canes. But let's look at these Hoyas up here. Most likely I'm going to get one of those. They're blocked out with the price though. So they must be cheaper than what they say. It says it's supposed to be $14.98. Hopefully it's on sale for, or the price is $9.98. Very pretty. Ooh, look at that one in the center, you see? I like that one. I think I want the one that's like growing crazy. I almost fell back. That would suck if I got hurt plant chopping, right? I wonder if I could file workers' comp. I'd never file work. Let me not say that, but I did try to file workers' comp before when I used to work in a different industry, and yeah, don't ever want to deal with that ever again. Pretty ivies. I wonder if this is the Jade Pothos back here. It is. Oh gosh, I'm about to drop the phone. This is Jade Pothos, so I'm most likely going to get a $4.98 one, not one that's in the pot. I'm so excited. Cute Pointer Sister song. Over there we have like a marble queen. Yeah, usually I like to stick to the smaller ones that I can take home and put in their own decorative planter. This is a fern. This would look good in my terrarium. This would be beautiful in my terrarium. Look at this fern. She's beautiful. So their assorted plants are $4.98. Last time I was here, I got like 2 of these. Wow, look at this fern. Like, I just feel like I need this in my life. What kind of fern is it? It's beautiful. Okay, so I know we have to go back and look at the Hoya, and we're gonna pick out a Jade Pothos. More blooming, like, blooming plants. It says it on there, but that thing's in the way. So here's the blooming plants. And then I have string plants here. I have some air plants up top, the ones that are always at Home Depot. And here I have some string of turtles. Never seen these in person. I think these are $12.98. Yeah, they're $12.98. Very pretty. Very, very healthy. Hopefully I can get my shooting done before anybody says anything to me. String of pearls. They're so like pretty. It just makes you want to like bite them, you know? Like when you're a kid and you just want to bite something you're not supposed to. I need to know though. What is this, supernova? I think the supernova is the same thing. They have all the same planters, of course. I always like the deep red and like the purple ones at Home Depot. Then they have the neutrals for you neutral gals out there. Neutral gals. That was weird. Pot clips. I don't know what that is. So yeah, let's go pick out our Hoya. Ooh. I kind of want another one of these. It's so full and bushy. Mine is like down to 2 stalks though. And more silver swords down here. Look at these little Dracaena things. A large lucky bamboo wheel. You look down in there. That's so cool. So the roots. Let's see if I can get it in the light. There's like no light in here. These plants need some light. Okay, I think I want that one right there. That one looks like she should come home with me, right? So how am I gonna get it? I don't know. Okay, let me get you off of her. You can go there. Not a good thing. Okay. 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 I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it, you guys. I got it. Let's go over to the light. There's like light right here. Wow. I don't know. She's pretty dried out, but I'm gonna take her home with me. Yeah, that's my baby. This is the one. I wonder, is this like variegation or is this just dirt? I don't know. I'm gonna take you in there, put you up in there. I usually like to pick one that has like new growth coming in and some roots, like it's root bound, but this one just looks really healthy. The leaves look healthy. I'm holding the camera really weird, but somehow I missed these like Snow Queen Pothos over here, Marble Queen. I think they're Marble Queen. They're $16.98 and they're so massive, and they're trail. I did find a clearance plant. This one's on clearance for $89.98. This Dracaena, the Hawaiian Dracaena. I think they're usually $99 because they have quite a few. That one looks like it's a little sad. Hoya Pubicalyx or something. There's the word. Are these the same or are these different? I'm only gonna get one, so I think I'm gonna get this one, but I'm gonna be so sad. So yeah, that's my Home Depot tour for today. I decided to get the Hoya, like I said, and one of the Jade Pothos because I've always wanted one of those. I have van skin right now, so don't judge, but yeah, this is a really nice store. I wish if I was closer to home, if I wasn't in California, I'd definitely get way more plants, like way more plants. Yeah, until next time, it's me, Destiny of Manifest by Destiny. Bye, everyone.
Yo.